Hello everybody, welcome back to my new video, and today it's time for a bit of a replacement. So I want to change out the low pressure sodium bulb right there and right here, because they are both quite old. And this fixture is also, as you can see, it's loose on the pole. So we'll try to fix that, and if we can't really fix it, then we'll put a new fixture on here. But let's first screw the fuses out, so the bulbs and the fixtures turn off, because it's bad for the ballast of low pressure sodium bulbs to replace them with voltage on them. And if I'm not mistaken, we need to screw the fuse on the top out to get the fixture out. So as you can see, I'm correct. And this shouldn't be too difficult, because there's only one fixture on the pole right here. Alright, there is. So let's start with the one on the double pole arm, which the fixture itself is pretty old. Put the screwdriver on the top. The ball itself opens like this. Stick the. As you can see, the bulb is quite old. And let's get a newer one in here. It's all 35 watt low pressure sodium. I could clean the bowl, but that probably wouldn't have any result, because the fixture is quite old. So just close this thing up again if it wants to. Ah, there it goes. Now it's time to get the fuse back in. And let's see if it works, which it does. So we're up at the second fixture, which, as you can see, it's probably this pull, this screw, which is causing the fact that this fixture is kind of loose. So let's try to screw it more tightly, and if that's not possible, then we'll replace the fixture, but it just seems to be kind of loose. As you can see, it's fixed now. We'll see if the fixture itself is loose too. No, not really. Alright, so let's do the bulb replacement itself. I've been in better positions, but if I put the ladder right there, the sun shines directly into the camera, which won't make for the best footage ever. So as you can see, this bulb is quite old too. It's newer than the other actually, but also seems to be rusted into the fixture or something. Fixture itself is one mess too. But don't think. Oh, there it goes. Socket itself is just kind of mid. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. That's the bulb. It's from 2018. Not that old actually. Let's get the newer bulb in. Alright. We can clean the bowl a bit here. This one isn't that bad. Alright. The other fixture got a more recent bulb replacement. That one isn't that old. From 2020, so should still work for 2 more years. So let's screw the second fuse in. Which it does work, which is nice. So that means that it's all fixed here. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.